As more details emerge of the horrors on the ground in the Muzaffarnagar clashes, a young woman who was repeatedly raped as a knife was held to her baby son's throat, now on the run from one relief camp to another as her rapists are still on the loose.
मैंने कुछ वो नहीं करा, हाथ पे हिला ही नहीं मैंने अपने बच्चे की वजह से। उन लोगों ने बोल दिया था कि शोर मचाएगी इसको काट देंगे। डरी हुई थी बहुत ज्यादा मैं शोर की वजह से अपने कभी मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे रखे ना।
She gave in as 3 men took turns to rape her in a sugarcane field. The rapist held a knife to her 2-year-old son. Fighting them, she says, would have endangered her son's life. It all happened in the middle of the clashes between Jats and Muslims after she fled her home in Lakh village. What made it worse, she says, is that 2 of her rapists were her neighbors, clients of her husband, a tailor in the village. Worried her husband would leave her if he found out, she didn't go to the police or a hospital.
According to the amendment of the sexual assault law, it is medical examination does not have much bearing on the case. If the woman is saying it, so the onus of proof is on the people or the person who has been charged of rape to prove guilty or not guilty.
A week later, she mustered up the courage and told her husband. And though today he supports her, other relatives don't. It hasn't been easy for her to report the crime and talk to the press. She is one of the 7 alleged rape victims who are being helped by human rights activist Rinda Grover. The victim we met was afraid to even go to the police station because the way was through Jat villages. Her complaint has hence been filed by post. Running from one refugee camp to another, finally, this family received the compensation money provided by the state. They've built a new home in a Muslim-dominated Kandla village. But as the alleged rapists roam free, it's difficult for this family to start afresh.
जिन लोगों के खिलाफ हमने रिपोर्ट कर रखी वो ऐसे ही खुले घूम रहे हैं। हमको शामली वगैरह कहीं भी मिल जाते हैं तो हमसे कहते हैं कि भाई हमारे नाम कटवाओ।
आपको मिलते हैं?
हाँ मिलते हैं।
ये जिनके नाम दिए?
जी हाँ, दाब भी देते हैं कि तुम नाम कटवाओ।
Rapes in riots, a horrifying trend. 1947, Gujarat riots in 2002. Albeit so far, comparatively fewer cases of rape in Muzaffarnagar riots have come to light. Their battle for justice seems to be going nowhere. Not a single arrest has been made in these cases.
Riots expose the ugliest in men, and the worst is the lot that uses a riot as an opportunity to rape. The problem is, in situations like these, it's difficult to prove such allegations. These women are not looking at any compensation, but certainly justice. Reporting from Muzaffarnagar with camera person Shibli, Aanchal Vora, NDTV.